Aria, what happened? What happened? Aww. Come on, you gotta get your present.
So we can all have some presents, Aria.
It's upside down. It's easier this way.
Aria, pero no te siente.
No, on to the next.
No.
I don't think those are yours.
Esos son de, ese es de ella, ese es de abuelo.
Open it.
Ese es de abuelo. Be careful, it's heavy. Ese es de abuelo.
Open it. Okay, hold. Look. You put that in your room.
Eso se abre.
Okay, can I have it? Can I have it back?
Dáselo, mamá.
No. Can I have it back?
It's getting blurry because she's far away.
Okay, well, don't get me in it.
You're not.
Look, dude. You can hide stuff. Okay. Let's put it away.
Can I
It won't
stop?
hurt people. No, one more present. Go grab your box. Go grab it. Grab it.
Ayúdala a abrirlo porque yo no.
Come on, open it. Aria. What happened?
Dale que abre.
Take forever, Aria.
Aria, no. Look!
Oh, this is
Aria,
a pretty
no.
dress. Look, you got a pretty dress. And a sweater, especially for a day like today.
Who's that from?
Me.
Oh.
Okay, you don't care?
No,
Yeah,
she
you
wants
turn
to
it
sit
off.
in the box.